Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for being so consistent. Can you guess where I am? Well, you're probably cheating because of the title of this video, but I am at Kpowee farms in Ganta, Wesela. I think I'm going to ask Prince later on, and you're going to hear the rightful name. So when I visited Bomi County, there's this man on YouTube called Great African, and he commented. He said, whenever you're in Ganta, please visit Kpowee farms. So I was like, okay, no problem. Morning, man. And he's really a nice subscriber. He comments on my videos. I have noticed his comments. So, you know, I'm here today and I'm doing a subscriber of mine a favor, and his farm is amazing. So let's just get right into the tour. Let's do this, guys.
My name is Joseph Stewart Bella, and I am the manager of Kpowee Farm. This is Kpowee Farm. Kpowee Farm is owned by Say Tento Wonkida. He lives in Madison, Wisconsin. We are into, you know, agricultural activities here. So, by the way, madam, you are most welcome, and to everyone else, you are most welcome to Kpowee Farm. We are mostly focused on palm production. We have vegetables. We have animal raising that we are coming up with chicken, poultry, cattle, and other things. These are some of our future plans. So with that, we're going to take you around to see some of our activities on Kpowee Farm. Yeah, so you are most welcome. Okay. So for the palm work, this is the harvester. We have this one, and then we have this motor rascal. Yeah, we use this to harvest the palm, and then we have this one too, section for the motor rascal, that we can uninstall this and install that one. And then we have the sword compote of it, the chainsaw that we are also attached to it, and then we harvest with it. So when we get to the palm, the best easier way, we change our materials around on the engine, and then we work.
This is exciting. This is exciting. I get to know so many things. And y'all, this farm is owned by Liberian. How amazing is that? Super amazing. And there are brilliant Liberians working here. Like, this is the dream. This is what we want for Liberia. This is it. Right? Let's go.
So when it comes to the palm, we have varieties of work on the palm. You have the inter-row brushing. Where we're working is the inter-row of the palm. And then you have these branches to get it out. You have these branches to get out. When you get on some of the palm, you will not see the branches right attached to the palm head. So if, for example, this one is there, you have to get this off and leave this one there. So the art of getting only these ones off is called pruning. You are not harvesting the palm.
Okay guys, so farming is for strong people, smart people as well. Smart people, smart, strong. But I don't think I have what it takes to do what he just did. Yeah, I can do other aspects of farming, but not just what he just did. Like, no please. tomato now.
Yeah.
Today is Friday.
We did not produce yesterday.
Oh, okay. So how much I can say 1 gallon?
It's we sell this whole thing. We're not putting it together.
Oh.
Yeah. When we selling, like now, buyers are paying the cash pay.
Okay.
Because like Brandon, when you say you call your price, you say hey 1,002. Someone can say I beg you, I get 1,000. I got 950. So to get to what I want, I will press you out like okay 3,000.
Bring 1,000. Okay, bring 3,000 for then the price will bring you down to 3,000. The exact price for your market.
Yeah.
And so?
Yeah.
Oh, smart.
Yeah. And yeah, the business in Liberia is very, you got tension in it because if we really calculate what we're putting out to sell one, we're supposed to sell one of the street 6,000.
Okay.
Because you pay daily workers, you pay staffers, you feed them. Yeah. After you pay daily workers, you pay staffers, you turn around and feed them on a daily basis, 5 days a week. Yeah. And you sit and add all your budget together to put on the business. Buyers will not even buy. Then the next thing is to be us to take it to the market. Of course, it will be good for us. These are some of the things we are thinking of too.
Yes.
Because if we make more money on what we're producing, and then we'll be able to pay our workers good salaries. Yeah.
Yeah, because this work is hard.
Yeah, yeah. And some of the best things that we're doing, we pay our workers 2 times every month.
Wow.
Yeah. Salaries of no delay. I prefer shutting the farm down than not paying workers.
Yeah, people have families, so
Yeah. So
they come here every morning to work and they expect to take something home.
yeah. So that's it, and we putting more things together. Like here we have workers to be staying here in the closest feature.
Okay.
We have workers to stay in here, and then for me I live here.
I can tell. You're so familiar with everything.
Yeah.
So I just got through seeing the farm process, the production process, and the finished result. So I'm going with Prince now to see the vegetables farm. He's the expert. Yeah, I think so.
Hello, welcome. My name is Prince Nangwe, and I'm the assistant manager for Forweh farm, this farm, and purposely the vegetable manager. Here we produce a lot of vegetables and crops. On this side where I'm standing is the flash color green. This variety is hardy and it can withstand tension from infestation and even drought. It's a very good variety.
Resilient.
Yeah, resilient. Yeah, you say that. Most people in Liberia only go for the big size tomato, what we call the buffalo tomato.
Okay.
Yeah, but then this goes on the local market. It doesn't stay in your hand. If you have the buffalo tomato, you only have to catch up with the supermarkets. Yeah. It have irregular shapes. When it's full, it bends.
Okay.
Yeah.
So where is the pepper?
Yeah, that's it there.
Oh, okay.
You want to see the fruit? We have some over there. You see the fruit.
Okay.
Yeah. But if you research on this or habanero, you get to know the pepper I'm talking about.
Nice.
They're still germinating. In 2 weeks time, the whole trace will be
I
there.
see why you say it will be hot for. Got pepper here.
So here is the 3 months purple. 3 months. It starts bearing from 3 months.
Wow.
Yeah. And we envision to have a lot of it on the farm here, so workers can have couple in the morning, when you come in the morning, you're working on the farm, you should be able to eat something while working and not wait for regular lunch.
Oh, okay.
So like this, some people prefer it like this, half ripe. And other people would like it to change color until it's soft. The one is the monkey pepper.
The pepper had to be
Food forest.
food forest.
Yeah, food forest. What I'm trying to say is that when you come to the farm, in times to come, we have a particular area allotted for this. If you want to eat salsa, you will go there and pick your own salsa.
Oh, salsa.
Yeah, so that salsa sitting here. And okra season is gone now. I mean, for the farm, when we planted, harvest is over. So these are just one. And this is the Black Beauty eggplant.
Yes, girl, shine on.
It's Black Beauty. We have a lot of, this whole place was covered with Black Beauty. But, so this one on there just there for seed multiplications.
A brabo.
The same Black Beauty, but it's right.
Oh,
Yeah, it's for seed multiplication.
What is that?
Which means if you want to plant for the upcoming season, you can eat everything or sell everything you plant. You leave some fruit there to get ripe.
Okay.
Then you extract the seeds instead of buying new seeds.
Smart.
And this one, they are resistant. They will be strong. The second generation will be able to withstand the soil.
Okay.
Yeah. So any seeds from this one, this plant, becomes the second generation, what we call the F2. But the one that comes directly from overseas or from the seed provider is the F1. And another one is
Making me think about computer programs.
the cashew. Yeah, this over here we have close to 600 trees, and we will be producing juice and wine from the fruit. Yeah.
So how large is this whole farm?
This farm, actually the land mass is like 150, but the one that we are using, they are close to 50 acres.
50
The one we are
acres.
using, yeah, we are hoping to expand.
Okay.
Yeah. This one was brought in Liberia by the missionaries.
Okay.
So it just carried the name missionary bread nut, but it's actually jackfruit.
Okay.
Yeah, jackfruit. And then the other one here is the round bread nut, the regular one.
Oh, the one I can get into.
Yeah, this is a regular one. This one looks like a finger. It's in the finger shape.
I mean, once you're producing one, you're my friend.
So,
Wow. Guys, I am here. Look at this area. Look at the view. Like, this is owned by a Liberian. A Liberian in the diaspora is investing in this country. And I am just feeling proud right now. Oh, this is amazing. It's a lot of walking, but it is worth it. And the managers here are young, they're smart, they know what they're doing. And if this is not what empowerment looks like, I don't know. I don't know again. I don't know, because this to me is empowerment. Yes. So you were saying
The actual land mass is 150 acres.
150 acres.
Yeah.
Okay, so the one that the farm is on right now, that's the 50 acres, right?
No, 35.
35.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, 35 acres.
Something around.
Should I get down?
I'll get down, do the fast spin.
Okay. Okay, you go ahead.
Marok Mana is money.
Okay, so how long you been working here?
Start work in February.
This year?
Yeah, yes, this year February.
Nice. Then when I saw you back there, you were looking at you know everything now. You can pass around Google.
Yes, sir.
So what you there about working here?
Oh, I learn sometimes we plant cabbage, cassava, carrot green, tomato, putting on nut straight in the tray. Oh, I don't learn here and it follow me now.
Yes, anywhere you go. Girl power, that's it. I'm period. Small for honor.
Avo.
Avo too. Into PLC.
So, by the way, I'm going to ask her her name and everything, but I'm doing it in our vernacular. So, no, come on.
Bao.
You told that day.
Ntole ko.
How day?
Ko flumo.
Comment c'est la cassette que pour oui amon.
Zela so.
But sangue c'est fin ou il ben ça mon de.
Ma sangue c'est fin. Na pega que mene mbekere que vundure ba mate.
Oh wow. Around she actually put into the month, but she has come very close. She's older than actually me in working here.
Wow.
Yeah, she's one of our long stay worker. Yeah. So she has stayed here for over 2 years now.
Oh.
Yeah. Because I've gone 18 months and she's gone over that. Yeah. So me inakai bien samonze.
Tunya bo wana manga bizia. Tunya wale se lem kula apire makepia.
Okay.
Oduga wa tunya ba yi egbamu.
Okay, so she says she's into the palm field and she likes the area she works and she's not seeing any toughness for her because she's already used to it. Yeah.
They can eat a stem too?
Yeah, everything.
Yeah, you see the thing about yeah, don't make mama.